What's up, guys? Today, birthday present to myself is to work on my course. I'm going to take that yellow truss and turn it into a log bridge, pretty much, going across. I'm going to cut up some of the tree limbs and regular wood, just mix it up and pretty much just put them on there, screw in the center of them and make a bridge. And then I think I'm going to make that top of this bunk bed's going to be filled with dirt. Dirt that comes up and has a few hills and rocks in it. And this bridge here I'm talking about is going to pretty much go right on here. Drive off it, and it's going to be up here at 4 or 5 foot high. I don't know what the other end's going to yet, or where. Somewhere out here, I don't know. We're going to wing it. I got a few ideas. Nowhere near enough screws for what I want to do. So, alright, I'll keep you posted. Alright guys, here's where we're at with that bridge truss. I'm going to screw each one of these boards down right here in the middle. Maybe a couple screws on some to keep it from spinning or twisting. And I figured that'll get me my, I don't know, 14 or 12 foot bridge out of that, whatever it is. And I'm going to drive across, make sure that's wide enough. I know I won't be pulling a trailer across that bridge, but that's not the point. I'm actually going to use a few real logs in there, I think. I don't know. We're going to figure out something to make it a little bit of a challenge, but not too hard for Johnny. I'll keep you posted in a little bit. I'm going to make a video cruising across this.